In today's precision manufacturing environments, every millimeter matters. For one specialized CNC machining company serving industrial and government clients, finding the right computing solution wasn't just about performance, it was about building a long-term hardware partnership that met regulatory requirements while delivering an optimized edge computing solution. This California-based manufacturer faced multiple issues with their previous edge computing solution. Their prior hardware provider offered limited technical support and delivered an overspecified solution for their application. Their requirements were stringent, with little to no room for negotiations. The replacement system must be pre-certified with UL safety standards and have full compliance with NDAA and TAA regulations for government procurement. Additionally, they needed an edge computer that could support up to 8 USB-based sensors while fitting into extremely limited cabinet space that was subject to frequent vibration, dust, and temperature fluctuations. After thoroughly evaluating the company's technical requirements and deployment challenges, Premio recommended its RCO 1000 series, a super rugged, fanless mini computer designed specifically for industrial edge applications. This solution addressed all critical requirements through thoughtful engineering. To meet the high IoT connectivity demand, the RCO 1000 was configured with Premio's EdgeBoost I/O module to support 4 additional USB ports without increasing its physical footprint. This was extremely beneficial as it delivered additional IoT consolidation while being even smaller than the previous solution. Powered by an Intel Atom processor, this fanless mini computer delivered efficient performance for real-time data processing for their specialized CNC machine software platform. With a 10-year embedded product lifecycle and DDR4 memory support, it provided both immediate performance and long-term deployment stability. The RCO 1000's compact fanless and cableless design allowed seamless integration into the space-constrained equipment cabinet. Its robust construction ensures resistance to shock, vibration, and thermal fluctuations. For deployment assurance, and to meet their non-negotiable requirement, the RCO 1000 is also pre-certified with UL. This ensures that it has undergone strict testing and validation procedures for safety standard compliance. By partnering with Premio, an NDAA and TIA-compliant hardware manufacturer, the CNC machining company implemented a computing solution that directly addressed their challenges. The result wasn't just a replacement computer. It was a strategic advantage to optimize their Benchtop CNC milling systems and establish a long-term partnership with dedicated support teams available even after deployment.